Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You've got your phone on the same 4 GHz network and smart life open. Now start pairing. First, tap the plus sign to add a device and choose the correct device type because the app uses that to pick the right protocol. Next, power the device and trigger its pairing mode, typically a long press or factory reset until the LED blinks. Once the light is blinking, the app will either auto-detect or present Wi-Fi options. Proceed to the connection step. Now you'll actually connect the device to your network. Choose Easy Pairing for the simplest flow. If that fails, switch to AP mode and temporarily join the device's hotspot to pass credentials. Carefully type your 4 GHz Wi-Fi password, it's case-sensitive, and allow the app to transfer settings. Once the device reports successful registration, rename it so you can find it later and assign it to a room. This makes automations and voice control much easier down the line. Finish by confirming the device status shows online and try simple on/off commands to verify responsiveness. Next, add the device to scenes or schedules and share access with household accounts if needed, and check for firmware updates that could improve stability. If something goes wrong, perform a factory reset on the device and retry pairing. Importantly, make sure your phone is on the router's 4 GHz network and not 5 GHz. Many smart devices cannot join 5 GHz, and that's the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.